All you need is a spoon. Get down with this, get down with that. Over 50 grams of protein in minutes. It can't get any easier than that, okay? Oh, I'm excited about this one. I think I've found a game changer in the cottage cheese game. Now, if you've seen any of my videos, I love to use cottage cheese. I think it's such an easy way to add in more protein. It tastes great. I add it to my beef. I add it to eggs. I add it to spaghetti sauces. I add it to pizza sauces. I eat it by itself. It's such an easy, healthy way to add in protein into your diet. I'm always trying to get more protein in the quickest way possible, the tastiest way possible. And I'm here to help you do the same thing. But when I was at the store earlier, I think I found a game changer. Now, if you have a Kroger located close to you, go check these out. Now, so far, my favorite cottage cheese is Good Culture cottage cheese. If you know, you know on this one. Let me know in the comments if you get down with Good Culture. Let us all know if you don't get down with Good Culture, what is your go-to cottage cheese? Because cottage cheese is such a game changer. If you're trying to get protein in your life, put some cottage cheese in your life, I'm trying to tell you. But Good Culture is great, okay? The problem is it's hard to find, all right? I read so many comments and I've had this issue myself that it is hard to find. It's sold out everywhere because it's so good. I was at Kroger and let me show you what I found if you can't find the Good Culture. Check out what I found. Kroger is changing the game over here. They say Good Culture, you're always out of stock. Guess what? We got your back and we're gonna put some more protein in it. Come on now, you cannot beat that. Check this out. They also have the little ones. If this isn't convenient, I'm trying to tell you, this is a game changer right here. This little joker right here, 21 grams of protein in this little container right here. This is so simple. Such an easy, quick idea to have for lunch. If you need a quick snack, it is a game changer, okay? If you have a Kroger, go run to your Kroger. My thoughts is that other stores are gonna be doing this the same because they see Good Culture is holding the game down and they gotta go throw their hat in the ring as well, right? Well, Kroger's doing that right now. Private selection, cottage cheese, come on now, you cannot beat that. 21 grams of protein in here. If you're looking for an easy way to get your protein, man, you gotta check these out. Now, if you don't have a Kroger around, that's fine. Of course, my other favorite is Good Culture. Go get you some of this. If you can find Good Culture, you will like it, okay? If you like cottage cheese, if you wanna just try cottage cheese, you never really tried it, go find one of these, all right? But of course, if not, go with Daisy. Daisy's always been my go-to for years and years. Before I found out about Good Culture, Daisy has been my go-to. You can find Daisy anywhere, Walmart, H-E-B, Kroger, anywhere has Daisy, okay? So if you can't find those other two options, just go with Daisy. One serving of this, half a cup, is gonna get you 13 grams of protein. That is an easy way to add more protein into your life, into your diet. Add it into your beef, add it into your chicken, eat it on the side. There's so many different things you can do with your cottage cheese. You can make cottage cheese wraps. It just dips and all kinds of, there's just so many things you can do with it. If you want to add more protein to your life, the easy way, go get you some cottage cheese. I'm trying to tell you, I use this stuff all the time. Look at all my videos. I'm always using cottage cheese, right? Now, if you're in a hurry and you need a real quick, high protein lunch idea, let's say you got to head out to the office, you got to go out and get the kids, you got to do something, you're like, man, I need some more protein. I'm trying to get 50 grams of protein. Let me show you what I do. Bam, that's it, okay? Premier Protein Shake, 30 grams of protein. These don't have to be cold. You can just take them warm, just drink it like that. It don't matter, 30 grams of protein. You add in one of these, 21 grams of protein. So simple, all you need is a spoon. Get down with this, get down with that. Over 50 grams of protein in minutes. It can't get any easier than that, okay? If you don't drink these, then another option you can do, if you don't get down with the pure protein shakes, throw in a Chomps Beef Stick. 10 grams of protein, 21 grams up in here. You got over 30 grams of protein with the quickness. There's just no more excuses, okay? All this is just a beef stick with some cottage cheese. That's your lunch. This will hold you down. If you need a healthy snack, bam. If you need a quick lunch and you're like, man, I'm not trying to get too full, but I need to hit my 30 grams of protein, bam, there you go. It's that simple, guys. I'm trying to show you easy ways that you can get protein into your life, into your diet. You have to try these out. Keep these in stock. Keep these in my gym bag. I keep these in my vehicle. I keep them everywhere because whenever I need a quick snack, I run for these right here, Chomps. They also have a jalapeno flavor if you want to get down with that. This is just a regular flavor. I couldn't find a jalapeno, but you can find these everywhere. Walmart has them, Target has them, H-E-B, Kroger, everybody has Chomps, okay? Beef stick, 100 calories, 10 grams of protein, you just can't beat it. And then you throw it with the cottage cheese, man, you are set, all right? Go out the house with these two, this is my lunch today, all right? This right here is gonna be my lunch, or this right here is gonna be my lunch. You know, it might not seem like much, but you're getting over 50 grams of protein right here, all right? So simple, okay? This is a cheat code. If you're trying to get your protein goals, bam, I got you covered. I'm always trying to help you out, show you quick and easy ways to get your protein goals. If you don't have one of these, you can do a cottage cheese with like some Quest chips if you want to. That's 19 grams of protein to add to this. Come on now. You cannot beat it. All right, there's so many different ways that you can get your protein in. You just got to stop making excuses. That's one thing. Hold yourself accountable, quit making excuses, and start tracking all your food, and you'll see where you stand. I'm trying to tell you, go get you MyFitnessPal, download MyFitnessPal. You'll know exactly where you stand whenever you start tracking everything, okay? All I'm trying to do is just help you get through these days. If you're changing your lifestyle, if you're changing your eating habits, you're gonna need to change what you eat, right? Because if nothing changes, nothing changes. You gotta start making some changes if you wanna eat healthier, if you wanna be in better shape, whatever your goals are, it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to show you options that I use. I've been there, I've done that. I know whenever you start changing your eating habits, those old habits are gonna keep calling. They're gonna be there, you have to replace them with something. So using stuff like this will help get to your next meal. A&W root beer, these things are wonderful. I always talk about these. These are my go-to. Or you can just get you some carbonated water, okay? Carbonated water works great as well. Okay, so root beer, carbonated water, this will help fill your stomach up. Take you one of these, take you a beef stick, take you a cottage cheese, lunch is done. You'll be fine to the next meal. If you just need a snack, take you one of these, take you a beef stick. That'll hold you down to your next meal. That's how you have to see it now. You have to see what you eat as more like fuel, all right? Stop eating for comfort. That's what's got you in the place that you're in right now, right? You need to start eating for purpose, okay? What is your purpose? Is your purpose to live a healthier lifestyle? Are you tired of eating and feeling like, I'm just so tired, oh, I don't feel good, I'm not, you know, I don't have the energy anymore, you know? Start checking out what you eat. And once you change that, you're gonna notice a big difference, okay? So add these to your meal plan. Now you don't have to get down with A&W root beer if you don't like root beer. There's all kinds of different kind of caffeine-free, sugar-free drinks that you can have out there. This is just to hold you off to your next meal, okay? I'm only offering options to try to help you out, try to get to your next meal. So hopefully these options help you out. Let me know in the comments. Also, let us know what your go-tos are. What are your go-to snacks? Preferably high protein, because I like to keep everything the highest protein possible. Let us know in the comments, what do you use to get to your next meal? Because it helps us all out. I read your comments and I'm like, man, that's a great idea. Or I've never heard of that brand. I'm gonna go check that out. So leave it in the comments and hopefully we can all help each other out. That's what this channel is about. It's about us all getting better. It's about us all eating healthier, getting our protein in, getting our workouts in, some type of fitness. 30 minutes a day, I always recommend. Go get your steps in, go get a gym session in, get something in, focus on yourself, 30 minutes a day. You'll feel better for it. Show some gratitude, go help others. Man, we're all here to try to help each other get better. But let me know what you think about this video. Go look for that cottage cheese. If you're looking for some cottage cheese, like I said, if you don't have a Kroger available, it's all right. Go with the Good Culture, my other favorite, or if not, just roll with Daisy. Ain't nothing wrong with that, all tastes great, all right? You're just trying to get your protein in the healthiest way possible. I'm here to help you out. I'm here to help you do that. Let me know what you think, subscribe for more. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time, let's go.